Good day everyone, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to vectorize your land use land cover map. Here I have my 2024 land use land cover map. How to vectorize it. To vectorize your raster means you are converting from raster to vector. And the essence of that is that it helps you to easily calculate or make some calculations. So you can actually convert your raster to vector. So in this video, let me quickly demonstrate how to do it. So the first thing to check, open the attribute table of your raster. Right click and open the attribute table. Here in attribute table, we have a field called value. The value assigned for each land use land cover are here, and the pixel count is also here. So take note of value. So to vectorize it, come to Arc Toolbox, then come to Conversion Tools, then come to From Raster. Click on the drop down to expand it. Here you can actually convert from raster to points, from raster to polygon, and from raster to polyline, and so on. However, we want to convert from raster to polygon. So to do that, double click it. It will open raster to polygon tool. Here input raster. Click on the drop down and select the raster you want to vectorize. Here is very important. The field you want to use to vectorize is appropriate to use value, which I shown you in the attribute table before. So leave it at value. So we are using value. Then here specify your outputs. So let's leave it here as Vectorization. Then click on Save. After that, check Simplify Polygon, though it's optional, and click on OK. So depending on the area extent of your data, it may take some time. So you can see it has vectorized it. Now if you look here, you can see that it has been converted from raster to vector. Now one thing to note, if we right click and open the attribute table, you can see that the value, the field called value, has been used to vectorize this data, and that is the one that corresponds to Greek code. So this Greek code, if I double click here, it will sort it. So all the value in the raster that was assigned 1, so has been converted to Greek code and is also assigned 1. So from here you can merge all the value that is all the Greek code that are 1, you can merge it together, and all those that are 2, you can merge them together. So but in essence, this is how to convert your raster to vector, called vectorization in ArcGIS. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.